Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to activate or to delete messages on your WhatsApp. Maybe you don't want that your message will be available for always, so it will be deleted after 24 hours or after 1 week. It's up to you, you can choose. Are you ready? So let's get started. Open your WhatsApp and go to setting. Click here on setting, and then after that click on account. And here we have different menus, so you should click on privacy. Click on privacy. Then after that here we have default message timer. So here you can turn on or off and choose after 1 week or after 7 days it should be deleted, or after 24 hours or after 90 days, or you can turn it off, it will not be deleted, so it will yeah. So for example, I want that my messages will be, you should be deleted after 24 hours. I can choose this. Maybe you can choose 7 days or 90 days, up to you. So I will choose 24 hours. So if I send message after to someone else, so it will be deleted after 24 hours. That's it guys, and I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next video.